Student, today we will going to learn the property based on triangle. So here are two property. Number first is angle sum property of a triangle and another is exterior angle property. So what is angle sum property of a triangle? This property is for interior angle of a triangle. We know that in a triangle there are how many angles? Three angles. Let it be 1, 2 and 3. Then according to angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all the three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So out of these three, if the measurement of any two is given and you have to find the measurement of the third one, then you can use this property for finding the value of the third angle. Next come to the exterior angle property. So what is exterior angle property? First of all, we have to understand this is a triangle. If we produce any of the sides, suppose we are producing this side to right hand side, you can also produce to the left hand side. So if you produce to the right hand side, you get an angle out of the triangle. This will be called the exterior angle. And according to exterior angle property, this angle will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. So if we see the interior angle, we have this angle and this angle as the interior angle. So the word is opposite interior angle. So this angle is attached with this exterior angle. So we are going to reject this angle. So these two will be taken as the opposite interior angle. So let us mark it as 2 and 3. Then according to exterior angle property, this exterior angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So on the basis of this property, if you have to find the exterior angle and the interior angles are given, you can use this property. Or if exterior angle is given and one of the interior opposite angle is given and you have to find the measure of the another interior angle, then also you can use this property. Now let us solve a problem based on this property. So here I am taking one of the question based on your exercise. So we are taking exercise 6.3, question number first. What is the question? In the figure, side QP and RQ, side QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S. You can observe QP is produced to S and RQ is produced to T. If angle SPR means this angle is given 135 degree and angle PQT, this angle is given 110 degree. Find angle PRQ. We have to find the value of this angle. This is the angle which we have to find. So if you observe these two angles which are given, if we consider this angle and we forget this angle, if we forget this angle, that there is no angle over here, then you can see this will be the exterior angle and these two will be the opposite interior angle. So 135 degree will be equal to angle Q plus angle R on the basis of exterior angle property. If we get the value of Q, if we know the value of Q, then we can easily find the value of R. Or if we see 110 degree, this is also an exterior angle. If we hide this angle, then we will get this exterior angle and the angle opposite to it are angle P and angle R. Since we have to find the value of angle R, we have the value of exterior angle. If we get the value of angle P, then using the exterior angle property we can find the value of the required angle. So either you can use this angle or you can use this angle. If we use 135 degree as the exterior angle, then we are getting angle Q and angle R as the interior opposite angle. Now angle Q we can easily find because it is attached with this angle, exterior angle, and they both of them are lying on a straight line, so they are forming linear pair. Let us mark it as angle number 1. Since, let us do the solution. Since TQR is a line, therefore 110 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pair. So transposing 110 to the another side, we can find the value of angle 1. So if we transpose it, we get 180 degree minus 110 degree. So this will give the value of angle 1 equal to 70 degree. We get the value of angle 1. Now, since exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, therefore we have the exterior angle as 135 degree, opposite interior angle as angle 1 plus angle R. We have to find the value of angle R. We get the value of angle 1. We have just find it out. So 70 degree plus angle R. So this will give, this imply that angle R is equal to, we have to transpose 70 degree to the another side. So this will give, subtracting both of them will get 65 degree, the value of angle R equal to. Since the complete name of angle R is PRQ, therefore angle PRQ is equal to 65 degrees. So this is the required angle. So student, this way you can apply any of the angle property and you can find the value of the missing angle. Thank you.